Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today is an Ulta haul, y'all. I'm so excited. So excited. This is all Halloween stuff. I think like maybe one thing isn't Halloween themed. I do not have any Hocus Pocus. That just sold out way too quick. But let's get to this Ulta haul. So the first thing I got in my Ulta haul, and this is the only thing that is not Halloween related at all, is the It Cosmetic It brushes. This is the Love Is Foundation brush. There is it somewhere written on here. This is the Love Is Foundation brush. It has little glitter that move all through here. This is limited edition. It has a little heart up here and it's just super soft. Alrighty, so the next thing I got in here is again some more brushes. This is the BH Cosmetics Drop Dead Gorgeous Killer Queen. This does come with 6 eyeshadow brushes. It is a dual blending brush and highlighting brush, a fluffy shader brush, a flat shader brush, a small blending brush, a pencil brush, and an angled liner brush. So let me go ahead and open these for you and we can check them out together. Oh, that's kind of cute. It comes in this cute little, okay, glitter's getting everywhere. So a little dangerous, but I don't, this is cute. I love red. I live and breathe red. Alrighty, so, oh, these are super cute. And they each come individually wrapped. Let me go ahead and unwrap these for you. Alrighty, so here is all 6 brushes. I love this metallic red. It is just to die for. Like, I love this so much. So the next thing I got is the BH Cosmetics Drop Dead Gorgeous Glitter Blood. This is supposed to be pretty much like you can put it anywhere and everywhere type of glitter. For best results, apply with clean fingers or a brush and allow to dry in place for 10 seconds. And I just kind of like tapped it around. This is what this does look like. I do think like if you put more on, you could probably build it up really well. But I saw it on lips, so I feel like you could just like blot it and then let your lips dry. You could have glittery lips with this. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is the Nightmare Before Christmas lip gloss. This is in 0, obviously, because look, here he is. Look how cute this packaging is. Just look at him. So let's go ahead and try this out. Clear, y'all. Very clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. There's like a light vanilla sweet scent. It's not like a normal lip gloss. Like you can see that. It definitely has more movement to it. Kind of reminds me more of like a lip oil. Feels really nice on the lips. So, and the packaging also has 0 on here with his little house. That's super cute. So next I also got the Makeup Revolution Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the eyeshadow palette for Jack. These have 36 shades in them, which is insane. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'm really intrigued. When I saw this online, I was like, hold up, 36 shades? Like, what? And then on the front, it does have Jack again. And I like this little bit of like reflectiveness like in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm just scared that there's gonna be, oh cool, they're like in here. All right, so there are 2 little plastic coverings over top of this. Alrighty, so this is what this does look like. In the middle, it does say Moonlight Mischief Madness. I think that is super cute. We're gonna swatch. Alrighty, so these are really interesting textures. You have a lot of mattes, pressed pigments, some nice like satiny, silky shimmers. I think this particular shade here, the Master of Fright, it's still wet, which is weird, but it's just this one shade, so I'm a little sad about that. But other than that, some of these colors are like wham bam, thank you ma'am. Like this Madness was like just super reflective. Dead of Night was beautiful as well. Honestly, all of these were just fantastic. So in addition to me getting Mr. Jack here, I also got Sally. So let's go ahead and check Sally out and swatch her for you. And this is the Sally palette. It does say Mistful Love. That is super cute. I think these shades are wonderful. I love these like pinky orangey tones down here and these greens look to die for and all these purples. Super cute. Now, based on just like looking at these, none of these look like they're wet like that one, any of the, like that one shade that was in here. Which is a good thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Alright, so that was the Sally palette. This one is so beautiful. I just don't know which one to use today now. I'm just like, Alrighty, so the last thing that I got from Ulta were these Kiss Cloud 9 Glitter Paradise. These are limited edition eyelashes. Like, look at that glitter. Look at it. And so I got 3 pairs. This was the Rue pair. This pair is called Storm. Look at that. And then the third pair I got was called Lexi. Absolutely I'm just so excited. Like, glitter anything and I'm there. We're gonna definitely try one of these out like today. Alright, so that is everything that I did get from Ulta. I'm gonna go ahead and try everything out for you guys so we can see how it all works and see if we like it. Okay, so today we're gonna be using the Rue lashes, and then we're also gonna be using the Jack eyeshadow palette today. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with my MAC 24-hour Prep and Prime, and I will be right back with them set. Alrighty, so I've already primed my eyes again with my MAC 24-hour Prep and Prime, and I really do like to use that primer the majority of the time, but especially when I'm trying out new eyeshadows, because I know that that eyeshadow works. I mean, that eyeshadow works. I know that that eyeshadow primer really, really works and performs well on my eyes. And so that's why I like to give it a fair chance when trying new eyeshadows out. Because I, again, don't like to trust everything by swatch. Also, yeah, that just is what it is. First, I'm gonna go here into Mayer. A lot of kick up, whatever, not a big deal. And I am just gonna put that right in my crease. I don't even think you can see that. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease just to give it some depth. And actually, first I'm gonna take a shader brush. I'm gonna take this flat shader brush and I'm gonna go into Bones here. Oh wait, that's shimmery. I thought it was more, whatever, it doesn't matter. I thought it was more matte, but I'm just gonna take Bones and put it in my highlight and like underneath my brow bone. That is more reflective than I wanted it to be, but I already did it, so it is what it is. So just putting this on my highlight of my brow bone. I'm gonna go back into Mayer and I'm just gonna put it in my crease again, but now on the other eye. So how are you guys doing today? It is Saturday. Wait, no it's not, it's Monday. I don't even know what day of the week it is. Probably because it feels like the weekend to me. Tuesdays are my Mondays. Just is what it is. Yeah, my husband left. He said he's almost home to North Carolina. It's about a 5-hour drive, so it's not that bad, honestly. But he'll be back up on Friday night. So, I'll see him soon. Okay, so that color is just not dark enough. So, I'm gonna just, terrified to do this. I'm gonna tap here into Barrel, just ever so lightly, and I'm just gonna put that more or less on my outer corner and still into my crease, but I'm focusing it more on this outer edge here of my socket. I'm just like working it into my inner corner crease. So just kind of building it up in there. Cute. I'm just gonna tap into Barrel again just a couple times and do the same thing on this side. And just add it into the crease just to give it some more depth. And I really only tapped into it a couple times because I didn't want it to get too pigmented. So I do just want to kind of keep it kind of light for now. I like to build it up. So now I'm going to take a little bit more Barrel and again do the same thing, more on that outer side. And I'm just going to buff that in there and get it just kind of smoke out and just blend away. Well, I guess blend into the Mayer shade. Alrighty, so next we're gonna grab a little bit of the NYX Glitter Glue. Excuse the motorcycles. They've been getting a little obnoxious lately, but whatever. So I'm gonna take this on the back of like kind of like a flat concealer brush. And I'm taking quite a bit because this is really just gonna go all over this lid. That's what we're doing. And we're gonna do one eye at a time. And I'm focusing this on my inner part of my lid. And I didn't do my inner corner, and that's okay. We'll get to it in a little bit. And I'm just like slowly patting this out, but I didn't take it all the way out because I am gonna use the Mare and Barrel to blur these the next color together. So next I'm gonna go in with a flat shade brush here, and I'm gonna go into Madness right here. This color is just gorgeous. And I'm hoping it's gonna perform as well as it's swatched. So let's pray. Oh, it did. I already love it. Already here for it. And I'm just kind of pat swiping this on my eye. And I'm like slowly just kind of going out towards the edge. And making sure I'm kind of making like a faux cut crease right in here. Just that way they'll blend and blur very well. So then I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit more, and I'm gonna go kind of backwards to make sure I really am getting the punch out of this Madness color, which is just, it's stunning. I'm just like, just look at that. I think it looks really good. All right, so, okay, I'm liking how that looks. I'm gonna take the color that had the brush, and I'm gonna go back into Barrel here, just one little tap. And I'm just gonna put it right on that edge between the two. Just one little tap. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take a little bit more of my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just gonna put this on both of my inner corners. Okay, and for my inner corner, I'm gonna go here into Moon, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. This is like almost, kind of reminds me of like glow in the dark for some reason, like just the color is coming out. It has like a greenish tint, iridescent tint to it, which is, I really like this. I really like this color a lot. Next, I'm going to take the same pencil brush and I'm going to go into Everybody's Scream. Everybody's Scream. And I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. Oh. I'm going to actually do something a little different. I'm going to put some NYX glitter glue under my lash line. Let's see if that'll help. But I'm going to only do it on one side first. Just to see if this will like, I guess, perform better. Maybe I should use like an angle brush. Okay, we're gonna use the angle brush instead to do this task. And we're gonna put this right on the lower lash line. I hope I didn't go and like ruin this, me putting this color here. But in my mind, it seemed like a really good idea. I'm digging it. I'm still digging it. So I'm just gonna kind of take this pencil brush and kind of lightly kind of buff this out. If I can't, I don't even know if I can. I like it. I'm just gonna add more because I want more. I'm gonna add it a little lower. See if I can get it to like build up. Because I do kind of want it to be like electrifying. I want it to stand out. I want it to stand out. Oh, I like this. these are the lashes. Y'all, look how cool these are. Just so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these off really quick. Normally I have some tweezers, but so let's see first. Oh, what's nice is these are like small. I actually have this Kiss lash glue liner. This is in the clear and transparent. So you just put like swipe, put the lash on, boom, that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take both pair off of here. So that way we know what we're working with here. That was really, really easy to do. Alrighty, so this does complete today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and had a good time. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!